So please, don't be ahead of yourself. So, support your father. Kanina kasi masyado madami nag-program.
Gagawa. Pag ginawa ko, bail ko, baka
Wait.
dito lang ako sa likod nila. Dito lang.
Set up. Palakasan mo voice mo, caller, please.
Try nyo lang increase yung volume. In-increase ko yung
They're looking, Careful, They're looking. Okay. Step up. Okay, look at this bedrock now. Look at this bedrock in 3, 2, 1. Delete this.
Tapos nahinig nila. Nakawala yung nila.
Okay. Shit, this bedrock, bro. Okay, step up. Walk in. They engage, no? Walk in. Spread
20 seconds for next minutes. We should have next minutes.
They're brawling, they're full brawling na. Brawling na once inside of you.
Okay. Spread lang. Defensive lang.
Ang bago na DPS sila, nakakapikon.
Defensive lang. Okay, look north. Look northwest now. Northwest now in 3. Wait. Northwest now in 3, 2, 1. Delete northwest now.
Nasa akin yung, nasa akin yung caller, pati yung inside.
Kaya lang, what worry.
Spread here. Spread. East now.
Yung heal back.
Heal yourself.
One healer down.
Go north.
Basta, kita yun.
Okay, go east now. Go east. Okay, look south now. South. Wait. Okay, look at the chrono. In 3, 2, 1. Delete this now.
Yes.
Finish
Uy, mamamatay yung root back. Try to heal the root back.
One back. Heal the root back. This fake. Spread and draw, Spread and draw.
Yung
Nag-i-play, hindi ko tinitignan.
Spread and draw, Okay.
Wala na kayong holding hands ata.
Sama.
East. Go east. Okay, look at east now. In 3, 2, 1. Delete east now. This east. Colors dead now.
Color the...
Color dead.
They're colors dead.
What is it gonna brawl?
Huwag niyo ulit, habulan. Sige na, iyan nyo na. Para mag-rigger. Look out tayo, pag-rigger. Na-chase.
Hindi talaga pinapagod si Penelope, ang galing talaga.
Oo, ganyan, pre. Ganyan pag CRting eh.
Ganyan talaga,
Paano kung papatayin? Nakasupport ako.